guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today's video, we're going to talk about a few skincare products. If you guys are into Korean skincare products, I think you would absolutely love these products. If you want to see which all products am I going to talk about, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, we're going to mainly focus on 6 products, and all of these products were kindly gifted to me from Stylewana. All of them I have used at least for 2 weeks now, and now it's like a staple in my skincare routine. I've not dipped into any other skincare just because I don't want to mix up my skincare. So all of these products were gifted to me by Stylewana, but this video is not sponsored by them. So I'm going to give you all the pluses and minuses of all these products that I have tested so far, but mainly it's all pluses, I would say. So let's start off with the cleansing balm. The cleansing balm comes in this beautiful simple packaging, and this is from Beauty of Joseon, and it's called the Radiance Cleansing Balm. This is so gentle on the skin. I would definitely show you clips of me applying inside this video so that you can see how it applies, but I really love double cleansing my skin, and when I double cleanse, I gently use this as my first cleansing step. Now, all these products are cruelty free. It can be applied on any skin type. If you are oily, if you are dry, if you are combo like me, or if you're normal skin tone, you all can apply these products, and all of these would be on a discounted price for you guys. So if you guys want to check out any of these products, Stylewana has kindly given me a discount code, and the discount code would be on the screen, and it is INF10 Smriti, so that you can get 10% off on all the products that you want to buy from Stylewana. That website not only contains this, they have some of my staple products like my Laneige lip mask. There's so many products that I would recommend. I would link everything in the description box below, but you guys can get 10 to 15% off on anything on their website from today to the end of July. So it's valid for 3 months. So keep that in mind. Definitely use my code. It's not an affiliate code, so I'm not earning anything out of this code, but it would just give you some discount on the purchases that you are making. So you can get a 10% off on the entire order, and if you cross a limit of some price amount, which I would leave it in the description box below, you would go up to 15% off. But let's talk about all these products. So this cleansing balm is more like a gel consistency. If you can see, it looks like coconut oil but it is not. It's more of a gel consistency. When you apply it on the fingers and you rub it, it becomes like an oily consistency. So this definitely, I love applying this just to break up my makeup or as the first step of cleansing for my face. I apply it in the morning as well as in the night. So what this cleansing balm does is it definitely helps with dryness, hydration, dullness, and radiance. It is a cruelty-free product. All the prices would be listed on the screens so that you can get more discount on top of that. Again, this is made in Korea. So all the Korean skincare brands I'm actually very, very obsessed with. So this would definitely be my first step in my skincare. So now let's move on to the toner. This I am going in the order on how I apply it on my skin so that it can benefit you guys too. So I can apply this cleansing balm AM, PM every day of the week so that it is not going to irritate your skin. It is absolutely wonderful on even sensitive skin. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So the second step in my skincare has been this toner. So this toner is Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. Now this feels like spa when you're applying it on your face. It definitely has that natural spa kind of a scent. I don't know. But this definitely has black rice in it, and it is also has hyaluronic acid in it, which helps to hydrate the skin. Now, if you are a dry skin person, all these products would be super beautiful on you. So what I do after cleansing the skin and patting it dry, I apply 2 or 3 drops on my hands and I pat it on my skin so that it can absorb it into my skin, and I let it sit for 5 to 10 seconds before I go to the next step. You can definitely apply this like a mist also, as well as an essence also, because it has black rice extract in it and hyaluronic acid in it. It will definitely help you with the hydration and like the dullness of the skin. So I generally use this like in the morning time, and I use my vitamin C in the night time. But that's how I've started applying this in my general skincare routine. I absolutely love this toner. Now, the third product that I have to recommend to you guys is also from Beauty of Joseon brand, and the box looks like this. It's a glow serum which has propolis and niacinamide in it. I love niacinamide for my skin. It definitely helps you if you have like acne marks or any sun damage marks on your skin. It helps you to lighten the spots and give more brightness to the skin. So that I really like. The propolis in this is an anti-inflammatory, so it definitely helps you to reduce the bumps and the texture of the skin which is caused due to acne or any bumps, I would say. Again, it's a cruelty-free product. You can use it in day as well as in the night time. This product can be used as an essence or as a serum. So it really helps with dryness, hydration, and brightening of the skin spots. So if you have any skin concerns regarding any spots on your skin or acne marks on your skin or sun damage, this would be really, really helpful. This comes in a dropper format and it is a light yellow texture. I definitely do apply like one pump, and this is how viscous it is. It's pretty thick consistency. It gives like a very glowy skin. I have applied all this on my skin and then I have applied makeup on top of it. So you can definitely see that makeup sits beautifully on the skincare and it doesn't break up any makeup or anything. It's a beautiful skincare line. I would definitely recommend this. So the fourth product in my routine is moisturizing. So for the moisturizer, they gave me Ionic Beta Glucan Daily Moisture Cream. It helps to brighten the skin as well as it helps with the wrinkle formation on your skin. So if you have any of those things on your skin, this would be lovely. It's a very gentle moisturizer. You can apply it day and night. I've used quite a bit of this, I would say. This cream helps to moisturize the dry skin and it improves the skin barrier function with the beta glucose natural moisturizer. So this cream has a bunch of fruit extracts in it, and this has a prunus in it. It has raspberry, strawberry, peach, and punica extract in it. Again, these products, all of them are made in Korea. This has a consistency more of like a Aveeno moisturizer, if you know how Aveeno feels like. It's very gentle and it absorbs into the skin very, very nicely. See? I love this. I absolutely love this. If you're looking for like a gentle moisturizer, like a daily moisturizer, this is a very, very good option. And none of them are highly priced. I would leave all the prices on the screen, but I think the highest priced item is the sunscreen, which will come next. Talking about the sunscreen, so this is Biore UV Atlism Skin Protect Essence, and this has an SPF of 50 in it. So Biore is a Japanese brand, so this is a Japanese sunscreen. They claim to be PA++++. So more the pluses, more is the effect of the sunscreen, is what I have understood. But nonetheless, I apply this quite a few times, I would say. I definitely apply it twice a day if I'm not wearing makeup. But if I'm wearing makeup, this is definitely the next step that I apply. This doesn't leave any white cast on the skin, so you can definitely apply makeup on top of that. As you can see, it doesn't look weird or cakey or anything. There's no flashback with this. It doesn't smell like a SPF, if you know what I mean. It's so lightweight, and if you guys want to see the consistency, I mean, it just feels like a lotion, and you can immediately see it definitely doesn't even need any time to sink into the skin, and it's not even tinted. Generally, it's the tinted SPF that doesn't leave like a white cast, but this immediately absorbs into the skin without leaving any white cast. And after applying all these products, it gives such a glass skin effect on your skin. I cannot even explain it to you. You can definitely see in the demo how my skin looks. after applying all these products, and I've been applying this for like straight 2 weeks, and I'm very delighted that I got all these products so that I can like continuously use this, and before I run out of this, I'm definitely going to repurchase this. Good that I have a coupon code with them now till the end of July. So yeah, just remind me before July so that I need to buy all these things and stock it up. So the last product that I got from them is Logically Skin Sheet Mask. I love sheet mask. Now you will see a demo of how it applies on my skin, and this is an Aquatite soothing and lifting mask. It helps with wrinkle reducing and it helps with lifting. So if you have like a saggy skin, which will definitely benefit me, I would say. So if you want to firm up your skin and if you want to bring that tightness, but also hydrate and like remove the wrinkles if you are suffering with it, this would definitely benefit you. Again, it's applicable to all the skin types. Again, all the skin types can use it, and I really think that you would benefit out of this. Apart from these skincare, I only applied one more product, and that was the lip balm, and this is the Laneige lip balm. It's a lip sleeping mask, and this was in the scent or flavor grapefruit. But you guys know how much I love this. This is also available on their website at a much discounted price. I don't know, this website had so many good skincares at a discounted price, and on top of that you can get another discount code which is unreal. So if you guys were eyeing on like Korean skincare brands, I would highly recommend this. I have not been disappointed with even one of the products, I would say. If that was the case, you would definitely know. So that's all for today. Definitely don't forget to put the code INF10 Smithy on your checkout so that you can get 10% on the entire order. And I would list a few more items from their website that I really love, the products that I generally use and were not sent by them, so that if you are making an order, you can see what all products I use. So that's all for today, guys. If you like skincare videos, definitely do leave it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.